Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a Gallerie inspired pumpkin collection. I call it a collection because we'll be making them in 3 different sizes, and I also feel they'll bring the right amount of glam to your fall decor. So here are the items to use on this whole project. You will need a couple of these big pumpkins. They're foam pumpkins from the dollar store. The high gloss acrylic paint is from Walmart and it was like $2 and change. Then you're gonna need a set of the small ones and a bunch of the medium sized ones. I will be also using the jumbo glitter and then the small glitter. The first thing we do is remove the stem. Then pouring the white paint on top, we just start painting the big ones. I did apply 3 coats of paint to the big ones because they're orange and they needed extra coverage. And while that dries, we move on to the next ones. So we're moving on to the medium sized ones. And we're just gonna go ahead and remove the stem. And since it's white, I just go ahead and did 1 coat. Now moving on to the little ones, I decided not to paint those because I like that cream color. So all I did was add a little paint, 3/4 from the bottom, and we'll move on to the glitter. First we take the jumbo glitter and we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle it on top all over the paint. Then we take the small glitter and we do the same process. I waited until all my pumpkins were totally dry and then I repeat the process with the medium sized ones. I recommend you to add it on a plate and then pour it on top of the pumpkin. That way it's easier and you waste less glitter. So moving on to the big ones, we go ahead and add a little bit of paint on top again until like the half of the pumpkin, and then we go ahead and repeat the same process, adding the jumbo glitter first and then the small glitter. The best part of doing this with the glitter and the paint is that you don't need Mod Podge or glue. Since the paint is still wet, glues to the paint. Now to seal our pumpkins and not to have glitter all over the house, I'm going to go ahead and use this sealer. It is a clear paint from Walmart as well. I'll recommend you to use this sealer outdoors because it is just like the regular paint and it smells really bad. So to finish the big ones and decorate them, I went ahead and took 4 leaves, 2 for each. These I already had them from a garland that I got from the dollar store. So all I did is I painted it white and then I went ahead and added paint all over the edge and then repeat the same process with the glitter. Now on the medium size, I wanted to keep the green, so all I did was inserted the stem. For the big ones, I went ahead and painted them silver already, and that dried right away because you only needed 1 coat. We just place it in the middle where it belongs, and then using a toothpick, we break it into half and we just clip it from the stem. With the second leaf, I wanted to make it look like it comes from inside the pumpkin. To stage the big pumpkins, I went ahead and took these 2 tea light candle holders, clear ones from the dollar store, and also these beads. I couldn't find the beads that come like 5 in a pack, so I went ahead and took these ones. So we'll be placing 1 bead inside the tea light, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and glue the pumpkin to the tea light candle holder. And this is it. We have completed our Gallerie pumpkin collection. This fall I'll be going with neutral colors, and that's why I decided to create this set of pumpkins. For the medium sized ones, I went ahead and added them into a bowl that I already had with some pine cones, and they pop and look amazing. These are going on my end table, on my living room. The little ones, I'll be using them on different DIYs. And the big ones are just gonna go on my coffee table. Like I said before, I think they look amazing. Something that I did add is I added glitter to the stem, and I also added this little curl. It was very easy to make this curl as well. I just didn't record it for this video, but if you want to learn how I did that, I just took a wire and added Mod Podge, make it the shape that I wanted. But it's also on my latest DIY besides this one, and that video will pop up right after this video. So make sure to click on that and check out how I made those beautiful pumpkins as well. Like I said, I think they came stunning. Even though they're white, they have so much character with the glitter and they look just super glam. Comment below and let me know, guys, which one was your favorite, which size, and if you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and until next time.